Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Somna Kids World. I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to share with you it is about class 1 EVS worksheet. As exams are coming, annual exams or you can say the final exams are coming, so I prepared this worksheet. You can go through this worksheet and with the help of this worksheet you can take the practice of your kids. So here total I have covered 5 chapters. So what are the chapters? Like our body, my family, food and water, we need a house, our class. So here in this worksheet I have covered 5 chapters. In my next worksheet I am going to cover more 5 chapters, and individual chapters also I will be covering soon about worksheet. So now let's start this worksheet. So what is the first question? It is about fill in the blanks. So here I have given helping box, or you can say helping words I have given. With the help of these words, kids need to find and they need to fill this worksheet, fill these blanks, like fruits and vegetables keeps us dash. Fruits and vegetable keeps us healthy. So right here, healthy. Kacha houses are found in where? It's in villages. So the answer is villages. We wear different clothes in different dash, different seasons. So we wear different clothes in different seasons. We must keep our house dash and dash, clean and neat. So the first one is clean and neat. We should not dash food. We should not waste food. We cannot dash without water. We cannot live without water. Our parents love and take dash of us. Our parents take care of us. So the answer is care. A family that has many members is called a dash family. It's called a big family. Our tongue help us dash. Our tongue help us taste. We use umbrellas and raincoats on dash days, on rainy days. Next question is take the correct answers. So here I have given multiple choice answers. So you have to find it out which one is the perfect answer or the correct one. The first one, our mouth help us dash. So our mouth help us walk, eat, skate. So our mouth help us eat. So the answer is eat. We have dash in the morning. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. So the answer is breakfast. So right answer here, breakfast. We should always wear dash clothes. Unclean, clean, torn. So the answer is clean. We take a bath in the dash. Kitchen, bathroom, bedroom. Answer is bathroom. So the answer you need to write here. Foods like rice and sugar give us dash. Sunshine, meat, energy. Answer is energy. Our cousins are our dash children. Is uncle's children. Our legs and feet help us dash, eat, walk, draw, walk. Next one is question number 3. Match the following. Rice, butter and sugar give energy. Food we have at night is dinner. All living things need water. Wash your hands before and after every meal. Food makes us strong and healthy. School uniform. Tongue taste. Food chew well. Bedroom rest. Next question number 4. Tick the correct statements and cross the wrong ones. On a rainy days, we wear woolen clothes. It's wrong. Kacha houses are made of mud, wood and straw. It's right. We should drink a glass of tea before we go to bed. It's wrong. We have to drink water. Member of family care for each other. Yes, right. We hear with our head. Wrong. We hear with our ear. Complete the words. So here you have to complete the words. So the first one is H-E-A-D, head. Next one, P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents. Next, F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. Fourth one, L-U-N-C-H, lunch. Food, F-O-O-D, food. Bathroom, B-A-T-H-R-O-O-M. This one, summer, S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. Next question, here they have to answer in one word. Name the following. A family of 4 members. It's called a small family. A sense organs that help us see the things. Eyes. A food that give us energy. Rice. A room where we study. Study room. It's study room. Next here, answer the following. So here you have to write in a full sentence. Why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover our body. Next question. Where do we sleep and take rest? We sleep and take rest in the bedroom. Third question. Which type of food should we avoid for dinner? We should avoid oily food for dinner. What is a family of 4 members called? A family of 4 members called a small family. How many sense organs do we have? We have 5 sense organs. So this is all about worksheet for class 1 EVS. So here already as I've told you that I'm going to cover 5 topics. So more topic I'll be covering in my coming videos. So if you find this video helpful, then please give a like and share it. And do not forget to subscribe my channel Somna Kids World for more free educational videos, concept related content and worksheet. Thank you for watching.